Oh no, it's not one of those. Omnipresent video camera.
You bet.
Here to catch us again in live action.
At the barbecue.
As he pulls out the grease stained
Weber.
charcoal covered Weber, yes. What has saved us for the past 2 summers. Oh my goodness, you have a look at this.
A critter.
I've never seen a critter in there before.
What kind of critter?
It looks like a cricket.
Cook him up.
Yeah, really. A little added protein never hurt. Yeah, that's right.
That's about an hour.
It's about an hour.
An hour's drive.
Of course, the last time I was on the Autobahn, there was traffic about as bad as I-95.
That's right. Just get a couple of these. We'll try our luck. See what we get. Well, these little things were, I mean, they were the most.
But you know that lady was trying to tell us something.
Yeah, I kind of remember her
she
sort
was
of
keep
saying.
saying and saying before we were going to buy it, and after we bought it, she was keep saying it, you know.
This was the most putrid smelling, tasting shit I've ever tasted in my life. I mean, it was unbearable. We couldn't even, I mean, the minute we unopened the wrapper, we just, oh my God, you know, we put it right back. We didn't even dare taste it. It was some local pungent cheese, so we thought we'd be doing a big favor to Bruce and Benita. We let them have it.